Welcome, my name is Eloise Terrian. I'm a recruiter at Lethbridge Polytechnic, and I'm here to guide you through the application process. To apply to Lethbridge Polytechnic, please visit our website, lethpolytech.ca, and hover over the Programs tab to select Academic Programs. From here, click on View Program List to review the programs we offer. You will see the terms the program is offered and confirm that it is open and accepting applications. Once you have confirmed your term and program of choice are available, click the Apply Now button at the very top of your screen. Review the information listed, and once you are ready, click the green Apply Now button to be redirected to Apply Alberta. From here, you will click the green Apply Now button to begin your application. If you already have an alberta.ca account, click the green Apply Now button to sign in. If you do not have an account, open the video on the right side of the page to review the account creation instructions. Once you are logged into your account, you must complete each step under My Profile if you have not yet done so. Once your account is completed, go to the Select Institution screen and select Lethbridge Polytechnic. Once selected, verify the information shown in your profile summary is accurate. To make any changes, click on the Edit buttons. Once you have confirmed that your personal and educational information is accurate and up to date, click Next. You are now on the Lethbridge Polytechnic application. Page 1. This page lists important information about the application process and shows the fee for the application. The fee for domestic applicants is $100, and the fee for international applicants is $150. Please review the important details on this page as it outlines who should and should not use this application. Once you are ready, scroll down and click Next. Page 2. If you are a domestic applicant, you will be asked if you are applying as a dual credit student. Select No. If you have ever been issued a Lethbridge Polytechnic ID number, enter it here. If not, leave this blank. Indicate the highest level of education you intend to complete before enrolling with Lethbridge Polytechnic. This is important as your education level will determine the programs you may be eligible for. If you are an international student, you will be asked if you have a valid Canadian study permit. If yes, please ensure your Canadian education is listed on your Apply Alberta profile. If no, select No. Once you are ready, click Next. Page 3. Please review the instructions outlining the documents and document types we require to review your application. These documents may include out-of-province high school or post-secondary transcripts, English language proficiency tests, or study permit documents. If you are an international student using an agent, you will upload your signed agent consent form here. Once you are ready, click Next. Page 4. Select the term you wish to start your program at Lethbridge Polytechnic. Once the term is selected, you will select the desired program from the list provided. If you are unsure of the program name, you can utilize the search bar. For more information on each program, click the program website link. Once your program is selected, select the desired campus location. Only the campuses that are available to you and your program will be available for selection. Select the appropriate year of study for your program. Hover over the words to learn more about what this means. Typically, if you are a new student joining Lethbridge Polytechnic, you will select Start Year 1. Once you are ready, click Next. Page 5. Here, you will indicate if you require additional learning supports. Hover over the words to learn more about these supports. Select the best option for how you heard about Lethbridge Polytechnic. Verify your emergency contact details and make any necessary changes. If you would like to authorize an individual to represent you for all matters relating to your application, select Yes and enter their information. This can be someone such as a parent, sibling, or spouse. If you do not want to authorize anyone, select No. Once you are ready, click Next. Page 6. Review the information you entered in pages 1 through 5. Once you confirm the information is correct, review the declaration statement and click the I agree checkbox on the bottom left of the page. Once you are ready, click Next. Page 7. If you have been provided a promo code, enter it here. If not, click on Pay to continue to the payment gateway. Page 8. Once your payment has been submitted, you will see your application confirmation message. This message is also sent to the email you listed on Apply Alberta. Please watch your email over the next 2 to 4 business days for more information from Lethbridge Polytechnic, including your student ID number and instructions for accessing your Polytechnic accounts. Your application will be sent to our admissions department for review, and they will contact you via email if they need more information. So please make sure you are checking your Leth Polytech email once you are given access. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, please email admissions@lethpolytech.ca or phone 403-320-3202, extension 4903.